For our next problem, we have a similar case in here. So we have something power 2 and then minus. Notice 16, we could rewrite it as 4 times 4, which means 4 power 2. Then we have something power 2 in here. That means that we're going to use the difference of squares formula, okay? That is as follows. A squared minus b squared, we're going to factor as a plus b times a minus b. But remember, we need only one thing power 2 and then only one thing power 2, right? Together. So x power 2, it's already by itself. So we don't need to do anything else. But in here, the 16, we need to rewrite 16 as something to the power of 2. And remember that 16 is basically 4 times 4, which we could rewrite it as 4 power 2. That means 4 times 4. So 16, I could rewrite it as 4 power 2 and bring that y to the power of 2. Now notice here, I have two things to the power of 2. We only need one power of 2, as you can see here as b power 2. So we need somehow to combine them in order to have only one exponent. So we will have x squared minus, notice that these two things share a common exponent. So we can put them, both of them, in one parenthesis inside. And since they share the same exponent, we can put only one of them. So now we have something power 2 minus something power 2. So x will represent my a and 4y will represent my b. So the factorization will be as follows. A plus b, so x plus b, in this case b is everything inside that parenthesis, which is 4y, times the same thing, but in this case, we're going to have a minus instead of the plus. Or you could follow the formula. A minus b. A will represent my x. Remember, do not put the power 2 here. Okay? So we will have x minus b, and b is 4y. And that's going to be our factors.